You know, right now, you're sitting there, staring at your books, and it feels like the walls are closing in. The clock is ticking, the syllabus is endless, and every single person around you seems to be expecting something from you. Your teachers, they're watching, waiting for you to slip. Your parents, their eyes full of hope, full of pressure, full of those silent words they never say. Do better. Be better. And yourself? You're standing there in the middle of it all, feeling like you're drowning in expectations you can't escape. 2 months, that's it. Just 2 months between you and the future you dream about, or the future you're terrified of. And I'm not going to lie to you, it's scary, because you already feel the weight of every exam, every mark, every grade that could define you. Every mistake you make feels like it could crush you. And the truth is, most students, most people, they don't realize how close they are to breaking down until it's too late. But here's something most people won't tell you. Pressure isn't your enemy. No, pressure is the tool that can shape you, break you, or turn you into someone unstoppable. And the choice? The choice is yours. Right now you could give in. You could scroll, distract yourself, tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow, like you've done countless times before. And in 2 months you'll wish you had fought harder. You'll wish someone had forced you to see the truth. And that's why you're here, isn't it? Because deep down you already know you can't afford to waste this time. 2 months might feel short, but in reality, it's enough to completely change your life, if, and only if, you do it right. So listen closely. Forget the excuses. Forget the fear of failing. Forget the comfort of staying average. Because what I'm about to show you will make you see things differently. It will make you feel a hunger you never knew existed. A hunger that makes every distraction meaningless, that makes every second count, that makes you take control of the only thing that truly matters, your future. Right now, the pressure is real. The fear is real. The expectations are real. But what you do next is more real than all of them combined. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to take those 2 months, turn them into a weapon, and make them the most powerful, life-changing 2 months of your student life. Because after this, nothing will ever feel the same again. Point 1. Face the brutal truth about your time. Right now, you need to look at the clock and be honest with yourself. 2 months. That's only 60 days. Every hour you waste scrolling on your phone, daydreaming, or saying, I'll start tomorrow, is an hour someone else is using to get ahead. You feel pressure now because the future is creeping closer, and if you don't act, you'll be swallowed by regret. Pretending you have unlimited time is the easiest trap. It's comforting to ignore it, but every moment you ignore it, your dream slips further away. Look at your syllabus, see exactly what's left, and accept the harsh truth. Time is your enemy if you waste it, but your weapon if you master it. Once you face that truth, fear transforms into focus. Anxiety becomes energy. Suddenly, every second counts, and every small action builds a wall between you and failure. Point 2. Break every excuse holding you back. Stop lying to yourself. I'm too tired. I can't focus. I'll do it tomorrow. All of these excuses are invisible chains around your wrists, and your future doesn't care about them. Every student who succeeds has learned to crush excuses, to push themselves when it hurts, to act when it's uncomfortable. Right now, discomfort is your ally. It's a signal that growth is happening. Feeling tired? That's normal. Feeling distracted? That's normal. But letting those feelings dictate your actions, that's weakness. Force yourself to sit down, open the book, and attack. Train your mind like a predator. Because in 2 months, you won't remember how tired or stressed you felt. You'll remember the results. And the results are all that matter. Point 3. Attack your weaknesses ruthlessly. Everyone has weaknesses, areas they avoid, chapters they hate, topics that scare them. But the truth is, avoidance is a luxury you cannot afford. 2 months is enough time to turn your biggest weaknesses into your greatest strengths, if you confront them head-on. Identify the parts of your syllabus that terrify you, that make your heart sink. Write them down, focus on them, study them harder than everything else combined. Repeat, drill, obsess. Imagine walking into the exam and facing the very things that used to destroy you. and knowing you've conquered them. That feeling? That's power. That's confidence. That's dominance. Weakness is no longer your enemy. It's your fuel. Point 4. Build obsession-level focus. Forget multitasking. Forget casual studying. 2 months demand total obsession. Obsession isn't scary. It's precise, controlled, relentless focus. When you study like a predator tracking prey. Every distraction is removed. Every phone notification silenced. Every "I'll do it later" discarded. Your mind needs to become ruthless, consuming information, remembering formulas, solving problems automatically. Focus like your life depends on it, because in these next 60 days, it does. This is the kind of concentration that separates ordinary students from legends. Once your mind reaches this level, nothing can shake you, nothing can distract you, and failure becomes almost impossible. Point 5. Visualize victory like it's real. Here's the most dangerous secret most students ignore. Your mind is a weapon, and what you feed it becomes your reality. Every day, spend a few minutes imagining yourself walking into the exam, confident, prepared, unstoppable. Picture every mark, every question, every success. Feel it like it's happening now. This isn't daydreaming. It's programming your brain for results. The mind cannot distinguish vivid visualization from reality. When your brain believes you can conquer it, your body and actions follow. Visualize victory daily, obsessively, like it's inevitable, and watch as your actions start shaping the future you've imagined. Point 6. Eliminate all distractions ruthlessly. Right now, every notification, every social media scroll, every quick break is a thief stealing your future. 2 months from now, every second wasted will be regret. Distractions aren't just harmless, they're enemies, whispering lies like "just 5 minutes," while quietly destroying your focus and your results. You need to cut them off completely. Silence your phone. Close useless apps. Create an environment where failure has no space to hide. The moment you remove distractions, your mind becomes a weapon of unstoppable efficiency. You'll feel a strange power as you immerse yourself in your studies, like nothing in the world can touch you. Because here's the truth, every second you give to distractions is a second your competitors, your peers, or even your own potential is using to pull ahead. Eliminate them, dominate your time, and your future self will thank you with results that feel almost unreal. Point 7. Reward yourself strategically, not randomly. Here's the secret most students miss. Motivation isn't just about pressure, it's also about controlled rewards. But I'm not talking about scrolling TikTok or binge-watching shows. Those are distractions disguised as rewards. True rewards are strategic, earned, and addictive. After completing a study session, after conquering a chapter you once feared, give yourself a moment that feels satisfying. But only after the work is done. Your brain starts associating effort with pleasure, creating a cycle so powerful that your focus becomes almost automatic. Suddenly, studying isn't just a chore, it becomes a game, and winning feels inevitable. Do it right, and 2 months from now, you won't need to force yourself. You'll crave the results. You know, sweetie, right now, you might be feeling the pressure. You might be thinking, can I really do all of this in 2 months? And the truth is, yes, you can, but only if you stop pretending it's impossible, stop giving in to excuses, and truly commit to this moment. Because what you do today doesn't just affect tomorrow, it shapes the person you'll become forever. I want you to promise yourself something right now. No distractions, no excuses, no holding back. Take these steps seriously, and in 2 months, you'll look back and realize that the fear you felt today was the fuel you needed to achieve everything you ever wanted. And here's what I need you to do next. If this video shook you, if it made you realize how powerful your next 60 days can be, share this with a friend who needs it just as badly as you do. Comment below and tell me which step hit you the hardest, because I want to see who's ready to stop wasting time and start winning. Remember, pressure is real, fear is real, but the power to change your life, that's always in your hands. Don't let it slip. Act now.